Are there Windows 7 keyboard shortcuts for log off and standby? I like the Windows L keyboard shortcut to lock the computer. Are there similar shortcuts for log off and standby? Is it possible to remap Windows L to a different function?
Standby. Create a new text file and put this on it. Rundle32powerprof.dll set suspend state. Save it as standby.bat and create a shortcut of it on the desktop. Right-click the shortcut, select Proprietary and edit its shortcut key to Ctrl+Alt+S. Now Ctrl+Alt+S will put your computer in standby. Log off. Create a new text file and put this on it. Log off. Save it as logoff.bat and create a shortcut of it on the desktop. Right-click the shortcut, select Proprietary and edit its shortcut key to Ctrl+Alt+L. Now Ctrl+Alt+L will log off.
With an AutoHotkey script, you can remap the Win+L shortcut and create another one for sleep. I chose Win+S, normally not used unless you use OneNote. There is more detail on the DLL call in AutoHotkey's help file.
The Windows 7 Hibernate shortcut key is more like a PlayStation secret function. Squared plus Win, then H hibernate, sleep, you shut down, lock, a log off. It helps when you have lost your screen on the way. An alternative shortcut to hibernate is squared plus Win plus D, Alt plus F4, H, enter.
There is a keyboard solution using existing shortcuts, though not as a single chord, meaning release each key before pressing the next. Win, enter, last use shutdown action. Win, select shutdown action. Found it at this URL.
You can use the Alt plus F4 shortcut, then choose what you want in the resulting dialog box, or you can make one of them your default by doing the following. Click on the Start button. Right-click on the arrow beside the bottom Power Settings button, and choose the properties in this context menu. It should be the only one. In that dialog box, choose Sleep, or whatever default you want, in the Power button action field, then apply it and click OK. When you're ready to put your PC to sleep or whatever you chose, use the Alt plus F4 keyboard shortcut and then hit Enter. Whatever you set in the first step will be the default action that is applied when you hit Enter.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.